Separate the suit into lower and upper body pieces. The lower body includes the calf, the shin and knee, the thigh, and the groin glute components. The upper body includes the torso with shoulder pieces attached, the arms, and the helmet. For calf, shin, and arms, attach the Velcro back on itself. Do not wrap it around the piece, as this will stretch the strap during shipping and storage. Place the shin into the knee piece, then both into the thigh. Close the thigh piece and secure the Velcro strap. Do this for both legs. Place both thigh pieces into the groin piece. Close and secure the strap. And set it aside. Attach the bicep strap on the shoulder piece. Attach the arm strap back on itself. Place both arm pieces into the torso. Close and secure the torso piece. Place the lower body section into the bag first, standing upright. This will help keep the bag open. Then, lay the upper body section into the bag. Now you can lay the lower body section down. Secure the helmet strap and place the helmet into the bag. Close and secure the bag for shipping.